Hi everyone, my name is Mandy Cole, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to do Activity 13, Geometric Design Cards. The first shape I'm going to do, let me design it real quick. It says to divide the shape using 3 congruent triangles, so I'm going to use the pencil to divide this into 3 congruent triangles. I have decomposed this shape into 1, 2, 3 congruent triangles. Now I'm going to try this again with another shape. And this time I'm going to divide it into rectangles. It wants me to divide the shape using 3 congruent rectangles. So again, I'm going to get the pencil out and I'm going to draw some lines to make 3 congruent rectangles. Now I know these are congruent because in each rectangle there are 2 squares. And that's my demonstration of Activity 13. Thank you for listening.